All me friend me see you pon the corner. Pon the road, hotter than a sauna. Annalisa, Daniela, me see Carla. Bobu girl, Bobu say the water. Send me get a text. That's the from me crib. Walk right past me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're doing our first day vlog. This is gonna be a proper vlog, not like yesterday's. And we're going to the market. Everybody is just getting ready. All that. And then yeah, we're getting the bus to the market, and then probably back to the pool, to the beach. I don't know what we're gonna get up to, but we're going to look at this one. Splash. What a feel. Hey guys, so we're just having a bit of technical difficulties. Everybody, Susan, what are you looking at? The camera's shy over here. So we're just currently walking to the bus stop.
Really careful the way you walk.
This is my dad, little freshie. And yeah, we're just on our way to the bus stop to go. We're taking a bus to the market.
Fuck the most dangerous thing she said.
Janie, we're walking on the road. We're very dangerous. We don't recommend this at home, kids. Okay, guys, use a footpath. Oh, look at them flowers. They smell sick.
So guys, we just arrived at the market and Sean's just telling us where we have to meet if anybody gets lost because it's so busy here.
And we're going to the tobacco shop because they're all addicts in this place.
So like, yeah, obsessed with smoking.
Where is it, Susan?
Yeah, we're walking a bit far.
Yeah, like the thing. Guys, we've literally been walking like 15 minutes for them to find somewhere to buy smokes. Smoking is not good. Don't smoke, guys. Okay, how long have we been? Guys, there's done stores in Spain. That's crazy. Look at them birds. They're actually blending in. That's crazy. What the hell?
So guys, we're here now at the market. We're gonna go buy some fruit because we're healthy. No, we're not.
Fruit?
Yeah.
Oh, fruit. That actually looks so fresh.
Oh no, that's not.
Might need your company tonight. Something in you.
I'm actually sweating. Oh, my face actually red. That's actually sick. So we all bought handbags. Every single one of us. I got a black one and a purse. Oh shoot. Megan got a red one. We're sweating. We only came in here like 5 minutes ago. We spent about €100. The rich life.
So guys, we're on the bus on our way home now and it's so warm outside. Why are you shaking your head? Anyways, it's so warm outside. We got so much things we're going to show you when we get home because like the apartment because we're so warm. We're starving and we just want to go for a swim. Like, so we're going to go home, get some food and then go for a swim and then we'll record our little swim. I got this.
Hey guys, whoa, look at my sunburn. No, on my shoulders. Shit. Anyway, we're on our way to get some food. We did go to the pool, but we actually didn't take any videos or anything of it because we literally just jumped in the pool because we only went in at like 3:30 when we came back from the markets. And then I just somewhere. But yeah, so we went in at like 3 o'clock, 3:30 when we came back from the markets. We had lunch and stuff. Went shopping, like food shopping. And then we went to the pool. We didn't record, but we'll get some recordings for you tomorrow. But for the pool, we sunbathed. I got scalded. Oh my god, look at that one. I put sun cream on me and then I fell asleep. So obviously the sun cream doesn't last forever. So yeah, I'm scalded. So Megan got a tan line as well. Just after the first day. Ooh, gonna be popping. And yeah, now we're on our way to an English bar. I'm not too sure. I think it's an English or an Irish bar.
We went to one of these before. I think it's the same one.
Well, yeah, I think I was. I don't know actually. We've been here before, I think, but yeah, we're going to get some food, watch the World Cup. Well,
So you should have brought your bag.
watch the World Cup match. We have our new handbags that we got. Megan's one's red. I thought your tag was on it. Yeah, mine is just black because black goes with everything, and I wear a lot of black, so I just thought, why not? At least I'll be able to wear it all the time. So yeah, we're going to get some food. We're going to show you what we get to eat today. Yeah, come dine with us. Look at that flag up there, like someone's at a hotel. They're putting flags and all on their balcony.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's a towel.
No, it's a match.
No, maybe it's a towel.
That's not England. Yeah, it is England.
Oh yeah, it is England. Scarlet. Anyway, yeah, so.
Wait, my lacer. I have to get one black.
Oh my god, not in the middle of the road. She wanted to tie her lace in the middle of the road. Are you stupid?
It's gonna go black.
Anyway, let's do a little video of Megan because she looks so poppin'.
Stop, that's just embarrassing. Stop. Stop.
Poppin'.
Fuck off.
Oh, sure, like paparazzi.
Excuse me. Please follow me. So guys, we're currently walking to some Italian restaurant because we were all sitting in a bar watching the match, England versus Colombia. But yeah, so we were bored, so we were like, here, we're going to get food somewhere else. And me and Sarah are walking down to an Italian restaurant. We're trying to find it first though, because we don't know where it is exactly. But yes, look how beautiful this place is.
Oh, cars. Look at that roundabout. It has like a waterfall thingy in it. So pretty. Look at this view. Wow. Oh my god, girl.
Sarah, meals on me, okay? Sarah, this is what you say.
No, I'm gonna pay.
Meals on me here. Meals on me. Here, are you paying? Oh, okay.
You order. This thing is pink. Oh, Jesus. Like, what did you order?
Not me, I asked for a barbecue.
Just plain chicken. Barbecue. Oh my god.
Okay, so basically we're in this restaurant here and we asked for chicken wings, barbecue chicken wings, and they fully gave us barbecue sauce and plain chicken wings.
I can't. Oh my, a whole €5.
And now we're starving because they're like not bringing our pizza. I got pepperoni pizza, she got American chips, and sauce.
Pepperoni pizza, American pizza, chips, garlic sauce, barbecue sauce with wings, water, Fanta, empty Fanta, Megan. Me. So we went to some Italian restaurant. Yeah, that's your own fault. We went to some Italian restaurant and it was actually sick. Just the two of us. The bill was $32.50. It was actually disgusting. We asked for barbecue. Oh, we already recorded that part actually. We asked for barbecue wings. They gave us plain wings with barbecue sauce on the side in a sachet. That is just sick, like. Check. Anyway, the meal was just disgusting. The pizzas were full of grease and they were sick, weren't they?
They were fucking sick.
And then the only thing that was nice was actually the water. And then the chips were like soggy. Yeah, the water, the drinks was the only thing that was actually nice out of it. The rest of it was disgusting. And
Do you want to go in here and get like the knife up?
everybody was just,
Spend too much money.
no, we can get them
Something.
up closer. Yeah, well, and everybody was chatting shit in the place, staring at us. Not, we had to put €100 note on the counter because I didn't have any. Like, I only had €100 note left. When I put it on the counter, this family beside us, like this man, she's like this to her daughter, like look at them, like me and Megan was snapping. It was so funny. Megan was like, why is everybody? Oh, what did you say? Oh yeah, and then this family, there was these like the other people that go around like selling all this stuff like glasses and all. They where they were sitting was like open, like out in the air, and they were like, sorry, he's like, do you want to look? And the one was like, go away from me. Me and my girl were just like, that is so rude, like. And then he started screaming because fly in my eye.
Larry, isn't it? You're trying to scare me now. Am I
Guys, we have a problem. These won't leave.
They will not leave, and we're stuck here.
Like, it's actually a problem. We want to go over to a different bar. This bar is shoot. Like, look, I forgot to put, when I was sunbathing, a bit of sun cream just right there. Like, I just missed the spot when I was rubbing it on my face. But anyway. Oh, Scarlet, my skin's so bad.
So basically, we got a lucky man over there. Oh wait, you can't see him. Do not post that.
So guys, we're finally moving. Finally going to the next destination, Club 2. You ready, Megan, for club number 2? Woo! We're getting lit tonight.
We're getting ice cream now.
Yeah, well, except I don't know where the shops are.
We're gonna go float. Wait, what's that say? Aloha Playa. No.
Where are they? Aloha Playa, yes.
Wow, all of our beach. So basically, yeah, we just got ice creams and show yours.
She's from England.
I'm from England now, yeah. Because England won the match. That. Anyways, we're on our way to the Sunset Beach Club. No, right, for real, can't be doing that anymore. So we're on our way to the Sunset Beach Club, and guys, I won't lie, it's smelling like sea, like salt and all. Like, because we're like right beside it. But anyways, I'm wearing white Air Force, and you know you have to be like walk in a certain way with them on so they don't crease and all. So yeah, all the back of my leg is killing me. I'm in pain basically. So I'm trying to get here as fast as I can, but I'm trying to vlog and I'm trying to do all of this, the whole shebang. Anyways, I'll give it back to Sarah now. Here, I ripped the bag, I think.
Yeah, so it's currently, what time is it? Like 11 o'clock or something.
Imagine someone looked at one of us and crashed into a fucking thing.
Megan's a bit extreme, like Jesus.
I'm living in a movie, don't lie.
He's a bit mad.
Sorry guys, I was drinking too many wickets. I won't lie, I had a few sips out of a straw. Didn't even get
Anyway, yeah. We're just walking up to the Sunset Beach Club. And then everyone's looking at us, kind of feel awkward or something. But yeah. Gonna stay up there for a few hours. Can't really see where I'm going. And then
Oh, but yeah, we
go
have
home.
Sunset Beach Club in like 2
years, yeah. But we're gonna go home kind of early tonight because we're going to the water park in the morning. And we have to be like up real early to go to the water park because the queue gets huge. So we won't be out too late. Not gonna have a mad one tonight, you know what I mean? So change of plans. Megan, don't cry, it's okay.
If I stood here like this,
People think you're all.
yeah,
Anyway, change of plan, yeah. So the place that we were going to, the Sunset Beach Club, the entertainment's over.
Going back for Sambo.
You're having a sambo, nobody else feels
I haven't
hungry.
eaten.
So yeah, we're just going back to the apartment and after party there. No, joking. We're having an early night.
No, we're not having an early night because Glenn is apparently having a sleepover. Everybody's going to bed now. I'm going to take my makeup off now in a few minutes and get ready for bed. Sarah's in bed and she's too tired to finish off this vlog, so I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Please like, share, subscribe, post notifications on, and we'll be back with another video tomorrow as usual because you can depend on twins with a twiddle because we post every single day.
Don't know why my head's looking this big right
La
now.
musicala, bobu girl, bobu se de water.